What you doing, Em? Oh, got a babies out here, Emmy? Oh, got a babies? Oh, there's Ruby. She fell over. Did you fall off the teat, Ruby? Here's Lacey. And Laura and Asher's mom's puppy. Don't know what her name is yet. And there's Lacey. Here's Teddy. Sucking off to Mama. And of course, we got Comet. What you doing, Comet? You looking between your mommy's legs here, buddy? That's kind of goofy. And then here's our one last guy back here that still doesn't have a home. But we'll find him for you, buddy. Won't be long. Won't be long. Won't be long for a home for you. I just got to make some calls. I haven't done that this time around. I haven't really contacted more than one or two people. So